Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma in Asma's kitchen, and Asma's kitchen is all about to present every recipe in quick and easy way. At the same time really mouth-watering and to make cooking easy peasy for everyone. And today's video is all about breakfast. So I'm gonna share recipe of really delicious crispy parathe. For parathe you will need wheat flour, 4 cup sieved, quarter teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup milk, water as required, clarified butter also known as ghee, 1 tablespoon. Now let's start. Add quarter teaspoon salt and flour and mix it well. Then add 1 tablespoon clarified butter. Mix it again. Then add 3/4 cup milk and mix it well. Now moisten flour with water as needed and make a soft dough. I am taking some water in a bowl and kneading it bit more. Now I am moistening my hands in water and again kneading the dough. It should be kneaded well. It is really crucial that dough is kneaded really well for good parathe. Now our dough is ready in shape of big ball. Moisten the dough with some water. Then cover it and keep it aside for half an hour. After half an hour, with wet hands, knead it bit more. The dough should be well kneaded. And again make a big ball and put it in a bowl. In this dish, take some more dry flour and make small balls from this dough, like this I am showing in this video. The small ball is ready. Keep small balls on the dry flour. Here I will make at least 4 balls. After making balls, take a small ball, flatten out, then roll it out with roller. After rolling, spread clarified butter on it equally everywhere. Then fold it as I am showing here. And put it back and make all the small balls in this way. After making all in this square shape, put tawa on the stove on medium flame. Let it become warm. Meanwhile, again flatten the square shaped dough. Cover it with dry flour. Flatten it with roller again. All paratha will be in square shape. This is the method of making square shaped parathe. Now it is done. Put it on to pan. Poke it with fork. When it will start fluffing up, spread clarified butter on it. Now after some seconds, it starts fluffing up and I am spreading clarified butter on it everywhere equally. And now I am changing its side. Press it well from everywhere so it will be cooked perfectly from everywhere. Check it. It's done, and again change its side. Cook in same way. It's also ready from back now. I'm dishing it out in a platter. Now look, it's crisp. Make all the parathe in this way. They are really crispy. like this simple recipe for crispy paratha, then click like and comment and let me know about your opinion, and share it with your family and friends, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for further delicious recipes, and also don't forget to click bell icon. You may serve it with chana tarkari. It is complete delicious breakfast. Enjoy it with your family and friends. If you want the recipe of delicious chana tarkari, then click on I button show up on the screen. I hope you enjoyed.